everybody, welcome back to Lights Out Cooking Network. Today we're going to show you how to season our brand new 12-inch cast iron skillet. First thing we want to do is just get any kind of aluminum foil, and you want to cover the bottom of the oven just to catch any dripping oil that may occur and will probably occur. So now that we got the bottom, we're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Nice little 400. We're gonna get her going. And now while she's doing that, we're simply going to use regular oil. The best is grapeseed oil. The only thing you shouldn't use is olive oil. And we're going to pour a little bit in. And we're going to take a nice clean rag. And we are just going to season the entire skillet inside. We're going to season, whoo, she's heavy. We're going to season the back side. Woo, she's heavy. Just with a light layer, doesn't have to be crazy. You don't want to go crazy, and you even want to season the handle. Season the handle nice on her, and wipe off the excess with a different rag, ideally. Give her a nice little wipe, inside and out. And we want to put her in the oven upside down for an hour. And when she's done, let her cool down in the oven. And that is how you pre-season your new cast iron skillet.